This is Sovi. Remember me from Sovi Sells DR Properties. Let me show you a sneak preview of my newest listing. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom villa in Lomas Mironas with ocean view pretty much from every room. Let me show you the ocean view. If you're looking for an ocean view villa, this is the one at a super affordable price. A nice size, large lot and gated, so in a very quiet section of Lomas Mironas. Reach out to Sovi Sells their property for a full listing and video tour of this property.